Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Verma in association with Mechanical Pantomath, and I would like to make an announcement on behalf of the Mechanical Pantomath team and group members. Before making the announcement, I would like to let you know that Mechanical Pantomath has been doing all sorts of things which are really needed and which are helpful for the future generations, future aspirants who are looking to clear any sort of government exams. So you must have seen on our Mechanical Pantomath YouTube channel, group members of Mechanical Pantomath arranging lectures, having interview sessions with experts so that you could get to know what exactly goes in the interviews. And even before that, you must have seen our Mechanical Pantomath team members even solving questions from previous year's examinations for you so that you could get a feel and you could get an idea that how to go about your preparations. So in these regards, I would like you to keep watching, keep following, keep sharing all the content that Mechanical Pantomath produces. It is for the benefit of you all students and aspirants who are looking to set up a career in government or private organizations. So the announcement goes like this, that you must have seen on our Mechanical Pantomath YouTube channel that we have already put up some lectures, I think from fluid mechanics and thermodynamics, and we are in the process of delivering more and more lectures to you of mechanical engineering from various subjects. So all these lectures that you find on our Mechanical Pantomath YouTube channel are going to be free of cost for you all students to benefit. And for these lectures, I would like to advocate that these lectures are being prepared by experts in their fields, experts in their subjects, and they are from reputed organizations, and they have even cleared their exams with very great ranks, and they have the relevant expertise and qualities that are needed for a faculty to deliver a quality lecture on mechanical engineering subjects. So I would request you all to follow Mechanical Pantomath channel and share its content as much as possible to each and everyone so that each and every aspirant can benefit from it. Our goal and our aim is to provide you mechanical engineers a platform, a one-stop shop for every kind of mechanical engineering related problems. So with this regard, I would like to conclude that these lectures that are being arranged are free and quality lectures. You won't find these kind of lectures anywhere else because it is being made with great research and great care and great quality. So please keep watching and sharing the content of Mechanical Pantomath. Thank you. Thanks a lot.